Hi, welcome to MooMooMath. Today we're going to talk about basic trig ratios. There are three basic trig ratios that we use, and that's sine, cosine, and tangent. And you'll see those keys on your calculator. For these three functions, we're going to use a right triangle. So here is our right triangle, and here's our reference angle A. We're going to now lay out the basics of these three ratios. We're going to look from the perspective of the angle in the bottom left corner, labeled A, and this is an acute angle. Now the side opposite angle A is the side over here. So that is our opposite side. The hypotenuse is always opposite the right angle, so this is our hypotenuse. And so the third side left is what we call the adjacent side. So we've got from angle A, opposite, hypotenuse, and adjacent. These three sides we're going to use to set up the three trig ratios. The first one we'll take is the sine of A. And the sine of A is equal to the opposite over the hypotenuse, or O over H. The cosine of A is equal to the adjacent over the hypotenuse. So we're going to abbreviate that as A over H. And the tangent, or the third ratio, is equal to the opposite over the adjacent, or A over H. We have a little cheat sheet here. So we have the sine is the opposite over the hypotenuse. The cosine is the adjacent over the hypotenuse. And the tangent is the opposite over the adjacent. And we can write this out as SOH CAH TOA. SOH CAH TOA, or SOH CAH TOA. Hope this video was helpful.